Step inside Joe Rogan $14.4 million mansion. How did he turn podcasting into a luxury empire? Today we're diving into the details of Joe Rogan's incredible Texas estate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Joe Rogan, the powerhouse behind the Joe Rogan Experience, has become a dominant figure in the podcasting world with a massive following, unparalleled influence, and a truly impressive fortune. But what sets Rogan apart isn't just his ability to captivate millions of listeners. It's his mastery of business deals, including turning his $100 million Spotify podcast deal into a $250 million empire. As of 2024, Rogan's net worth is estimated to be around $200 million, an achievement that has enabled him to build a Texas dream home worth $14.4 million. Let's take a closer look at Joe Rogan's financial journey, his stunning mansion in Lake Austin, and how he became one of the most influential figures in the world of entertainment. The Joe Rogan podcast deal began with a monumental agreement in 2020. Faced with the frustrations of California's strict COVID-19 policies and a desire for more freedom, Rogan made the bold decision to relocate to Austin, Texas, after securing a massive $100 million deal with Spotify. This deal was groundbreaking, making Rogan one of the most lucrative and influential podcast hosts in the world. But that wasn't the only business move Rogan made in 2024. He struck a follow-up deal worth $250 million, allowing him to stream his wildly popular podcasts across platforms such as YouTube and Apple Podcasts. With his new agreement in place, Rogan's financial empire only grew, cementing his estimated net worth at around $200 million.